There is a theory that the first organic matter was brought to Earth by comets, and as a result, life was born on our planet. Can we assume that the meeting of the Earth with the messengers of the cosmos was not accidental? Recent discoveries show that organic compounds, including amino acids, have been found in some comets, which serve as building blocks for Earth's organisms. There are also concepts that present comets as real flying cabs on which the seeds of future life hitchhike across the galaxy. The fact is that sometimes comets can come quite close to planets and pass through their atmospheres. Some scientists suggest that Mars used to have an atmosphere and that our life on Earth could have been brought back from the now lifeless red planet. The hypothesis that maybe the simplest microorganisms originated on Mars and then were transported to Earth by comets and asteroids. Who knows? That could very well be the case. The question is, how did these microorganisms and organic matter get to the surface of our planet? Everyone knows that when any body enters the Earth's atmosphere, it heats up to ultra-high temperatures due to friction with the air. They could have gotten here in very ancient times when celestial bodies were able to enter the Earth unhindered. If the comets did not encounter strong resistance in penetrating the atmosphere, they could have landed safely in the ocean and stayed there for a long time, slowly melting and releasing the microorganisms, bacteria, and other living things contained within them. It makes common sense to imagine that from the finished parts, spontaneously and without any outside intervention, a finished product like an automobile is not easy to imagine. Even more improbable is the spontaneous origin of life. The theory that life originated on Earth on its own from a liquid medium, from a set of primordial elements, by electricity when a current or a bolt of lightning passed through it, is clearly fantastic. How a building itself can arise from a pile of broken bricks? No way. In 2014, the European Space Agency, together with colleagues from NASA, were able to land on the surface of a flying comet research probe Philae, delivered at Interplanetary Station Rosetta. This was not expected by anyone. The surface of the comet was very diverse. Deep holes from the impact, rocky terrain, where the rocks reached 700 meters on them, were also very noticeable cracks. Scientists were amazed by the diversity of areas on the comet, and even more surprised to find the rudiments of life on its surface. There are many species on our planet that are clearly of alien origin, such as scorpions. They are able to withstand huge doses of radiation. Moreover, after irradiation, their offspring remain perfectly healthy. Why do they have this ability, and how do they have it, and how did they develop it if there's no such levels of radiation on Earth? Another unique ability of scorpions is their ability to withstand extreme levels of radiation. They live exclusively in hot countries, but if a scorpion is frozen and then placed in a warm room, it will thaw and remain unharmed. Some species of animals, according to scientists, may be descendants populated from other planets, having no earthly heredity. Theoretically, it is quite possible. Some researchers are sure that the dinosaurs did not arise on Earth, because on our planet there were no conditions for their development. The structure of the giant reptiles' bodies and way of life suggests that they evolved in places where gravity is much weaker than Earth's. It is quite possible, however, visitors from the heavens can both bring life to this planet and easily turn the Earth into a lifeless lump of dead rock. The closest such encounter, which could have fatal consequences, could occur in as little as 12 years, just a few moments by cosmic standards. The giant asteroid Apophis, already heading toward our planet, could be the suspected source of the trouble.